out.
I'm wearing the skirt that I got in Paris when we were there. It's 14 years old.
Oh dear.
Like, I think it might have been 14 years, almost to the day that we were there. No, we weren't there for your birthday. But we almost were. It was between 9/11 and her birthday that we went to Paris.
That's crazy.
Is that 14 years
We're
old?
right back to Paris right now.
Yeah.